Could you turn just $100 into $1 million in 5 years? Most people would say it's impossible. But what if I told you someone actually did it, and it's all documented? Stick around, because the secrets they used will blow your mind. Welcome to Financial History Pro, where we uncover the hidden stories behind the world's most incredible fortunes. Today, you're going to learn exactly how an ordinary $100 grew into a $1 million empire, and the lessons you can apply to your own life. It all started in 2018. Someone had just $100 in their pocket. Most people would have spent it or saved it in a bank. But this person decided to take calculated risks. They studied the market, learned hidden strategies, and focused on one key principle. The secret wasn't luck. It was leveraging the power of compounding and smart investments, small trades, strategic reinvestments, and learning from every mistake. Every dollar was multiplied again and again. Here's the formula they followed. By the end of year 3, $100 had become over $50,000. Most people would panic and cash out. But not them. They doubled down, focusing on long-term growth instead of instant gains. That's when the $1 million milestone became inevitable. Finally, after 5 years of persistence, learning, and calculated risks, the $100 grew into $1 million. The untold story. It wasn't just money, it was discipline, strategy, and mindset that made it happen. And the lessons from this story can work for anyone willing to take action. So, the next time you think $100 is too small to start, remember this story. The right strategy, patience, and mindset can turn anything into a fortune. If you enjoyed this story, hit like. Subscribe to Financial History Pro. And click the bell so you never miss the next incredible financial secret. Which strategy from today's story do you want to try first? Comment below.